Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this wig that I got from Amazon. But first and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could give you my full and honest review. As you could see, I tried this on and it is so good. It looks amazing. I absolutely love the vibrant colors, the pink. It is so nice and soft. I will be also showing you the details on the inside. It does have lacing on the inside. It is a 3-piece set. So this is one piece, and then these right here, the ponytails, are 2 separate pieces. I did straighten the bangs a little bit. I added a little bit of that flow, but it was super easy to do. It was very easy to style. I did use a very low heat on the straightener, so it does take low heat. It didn't crinkle, it did not melt. It actually took the low heat when I was shaping the bangs, but it is such a cute wig. You could actually wear it alone if you like. As you can see, I have the pink one down here. See, this is very long hair. The ponytails are super long. Pull them forward. You can see they're so long. It was so easy to brush through. You could actually brush this through. I did brush through them just because they've been in the package, but it was so easy. It is so soft. They did not tangle. Look at the hair. I was so impressed with the quality of the hair. So here I'm showing you the beginning of the process. So a wig cap is included. I went ahead and took it out of the package. It is nice and stretchy. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and stretch it out a bit. Then you're going to want to put it over your head. This is just to pull your hair back to make sure it is out of the way and ready for the wig. Once your hair is fully inside of the wig cap, now you're ready to put on your wig. But before I put on the wig, I want to show you the inside of the wig. It does have these little hooks which help you adjust the wig to prevent it from moving. So as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and hook it on here just to make sure that your wig is nice and tight and secure. So now it's time to put on the wig. I went ahead and put it on. I put it from the front to the back, and then I adjusted it. Since the bangs were a little flat, I wanted to add a little bit of volume, so I did use a straightener with low heat just to add that extra volume. Once you're done adding the first part of the wig, then you want to go ahead and attach the 2 additional ponytails. I was so surprised on how long these ponytails are. They are clips. So I did attach one at a time. As you could see, I put one and then I went ahead and put the other one on. I ran my fingers through the hair just so you could see how soft and tangle-free these ponytails are. After you put on the 2 ponytail clips, you want to make sure that they're both even. But once you're done, there you go, the finished look. So if you're someone that is looking for a costume for either Halloween or you just like to dress up, you like anime or anything like that, then I would definitely recommend this wig. I was so impressed with the quality of it and how easy it was to style. This is actually available in a variety of colors. So if you want to check out the different colors that they do have, then definitely would recommend.